So my wife posted this video right here on YouTube Shorts and got over 22 million views. And the crazy thing about it is she had hardly any subscribers when she posted this short. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you how to copy and paste YouTube Shorts without ever showing your face, without using your own voice, and how you can earn $10,000 a month by using YouTube Shorts. I'm gonna show you exactly step by step and how you can implement this today. Now, another crazy thing is YouTube announces a $100 million fund for the rewarders of people that are creating YouTube Shorts. What? Now, the reason they're doing this is because they want to compete with TikTok and Instagram. So they just announced this fund on creators that are going to be creating YouTube Shorts. Now, you don't have to be in the YouTube ad partner program to get inside of this creator fund, but I'm going to show you how you can make $10,000 a month with YouTube Shorts, but more importantly, how you can make more money with other methods as well. And real quick, if you don't know what YouTube Shorts are, this is basically what it looks like. If you're on the YouTube app, you might have this beta access. This is called the YouTube Shorts shelf, where you get a bunch of short form videos, meaning the videos are 60 seconds or less and they're long form. Okay, so they kind of look like this. They take out the whole screen, and it's going to be very, very similar to TikTok. Okay, if you've ever been on TikTok, this is exactly what YouTube Shorts is, but with the YouTube version. Now I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money with YouTube Shorts from day one, even if you've never posted a YouTube short in your life. Heck, if you've never posted a video in your life, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste YouTube Shorts to make $10,000 per month. The best part about it is you do not need to be YouTube monetized. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to use your voice. You can literally make money without doing anything. I'm just gonna show you the complete process with YouTube Shorts. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to start a full-time passive income business. And the best part about it is I've been able to go from an electrical engineer to a full-time YouTuber and online marketer within 9 months. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I've been able to do that. So if you wanna learn more, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. So please subscribe, guys, like this video, comment, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so real quick, I want to show you an example of this YouTube short that just went absolutely insane. Okay, look at this. This is my wife's channel here. You can see over 22 million views with this one YouTube short. Okay, with that, she's gained over 26,000 subscribers in literally weeks. Okay, which is just insane. I did a video about that. You guys can go check that out. But more importantly, I want to show you how we can use YouTube Shorts to make $10,000 a month. Okay, now I did mention the creator fund. That's going to be a way to make money, but I have a way better method to monetize YouTube Shorts besides the YouTube creator fund for YouTube Shorts. Okay, so that being said, let me show you an example of some TikTok accounts here, okay, that we can model very, very easily. Okay, now this is in the relationship niche. Now with YouTube Shorts, I do recommend that you pick a niche, okay, whether it's pets, whether it's relationships, making money online. In this case, I'm going to show you the relationship niche because this method, this copy and paste method for YouTube Shorts is super simple. Okay, you guys are gonna love this. Okay, so let me just show you this TikTok account here. Okay, now I'm gonna just zoom out a little bit, guys. Let me just pick one of these videos. Okay, now you can see this is daily facts about relationships. Okay, so I'm gonna just go here. Okay, psychological fact: 99% of people get scared when someone says. Okay, so that's the video, guys. Like, can I ask you a question? Like, it's literally just like a few different things, right? There's some facts in here, and that's it. Literally, that's it. Okay, so very, very easy. It's like a quote, and here's another one here. Male facts: when a man starts to get overprotective and jealous, and then it's not because he doesn't trust you, and then it kind of goes on, right? Just easy facts. Okay, you can do it like that, or here's another one here. Let me go to it. It is Facts Lobby, guys. You can go check this out. Now this one's cool because let me see, let me go to this one right here. Crush fact: psychology says that if you have a crush on someone, and then it'll go on to give some sort of fact, right? Very, very simple videos, right? You can see maybe 10-15 seconds. That was it, right? Literally, that was it. Okay, psychological fact: unhappy people tend to blah blah blah, right? Watch more TV. Okay, that's it, guys. Like, this is literally it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make these videos very easily, step by step. Okay, so step number one is we're gonna go to google.com and we're gonna type in relationship facts. Okay, we're just gonna get some content that we can go ahead and make videos about. Very easy, guys. You can see literally millions and millions of facts that we can use. We can even go to images here and we can take some of these images here, right? Relationships are more important than life, but it's more important for those relationships to have life in them. Okay, tons of facts we can use here. Another one here, 10 facts about love. We can literally use any of these. Okay, really doesn't matter. Okay, if we're in the relationship niche, we can use any of these facts. Okay, step number two is we need a video. Okay, so we're gonna go to pexels.com. Okay, this is pexels.com, guys, and we can type in something like oceans, where we can get a video of an ocean, right? Or something cool like that, right? The desert, something just so you can put text on. Okay, again, we're just kind of modeling what we see here with a beach, an ocean, something of that nature. Okay, now the cool thing about Pexels is this is 100% stock photos and videos, meaning you can use this without getting in trouble. No copyright issues with YouTube or anything like that. You can literally use this absolutely free. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna type in something like ocean. Okay, now what I want to do here is I want to go to videos and I'm going to go to orientation and we want to go vertical. Okay, we want to get a vertical type video because it's a YouTube short. Okay, so I'm going to pick any of these videos here. Let's just go with this one here. If you want to be absolutely sure that you can use this, you can go to the info here. And you can see here it says free to use, no attribution required, meaning you don't have to give them any credit and it's free to use. Okay, you can use this to make money. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and download this absolutely free right here at the top. Okay, now the next step, this is step number 3, is we need to get music. Okay, now we're gonna go to Google and type in YouTube audio library and we're gonna go to the audio library here. Okay, now again, this is basically music that you can use absolutely free. Okay, no copyright strike, anything like that. Okay, it's important to use that, and especially if you're doing YouTube shorts, it's good to use their music because you're gonna be on their platform. Okay, so if you go to the audio library inside of YouTube, you can go here and we can type in something like relationship. Okay, you can see all types of music here. I'm not going to go through and look at every single one for the purposes of the video. I'm just going to go ahead and download one. Now I'm just going to go to this one right here and download that. Of course, you can download whatever you want based on the video you're making. Okay, the next step, guys, is we need to put these videos together and we need to add text on it. Okay, now to make these videos, to put the video and the audio together, you can use an app called InShot where it allows you to do this with your phone. Now I'm going to use a software on my computer called OpenShot, which is a free editing software that's going to allow me to put the video and the music together, and then I'll show you how I add the text at the end. Now the easiest way to do it is by using InShot with your phone. That's literally just, you can do everything with your phone. I'm not going to show you exactly how to do that because I'm going to show you how to do it on the computer, and then you can also do it with InShot, though it's very easy. Okay, now let me show you this software here, guys. This is called OpenShot. Now what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my music and I'm going to add my video here. Okay, so you can see here I added the video I downloaded and I have that exact same song. And what I did here is I added the music here, or I added the video here about 3 times over because it was only about 5 seconds. So in total, it's about 15 to 17 second video, and then I added the music here. Okay, so you can see here we have the music and we have the video. Okay, so once I do that, it's gonna give me the whole file. Now this is what it looks like so far. Let me just show you what it looks like. Okay, so there we go. We got the music, we got the video. Now we gotta add the text. Okay, so to do that, I'm gonna use a software called canva.com. This is actually a free software you guys can use. Again, guys, if you have the app InShot, you can actually do all of this at once. Okay, with this method, you do have to transport to Canva, which I'll show you how to do. It's very simple. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here and type in TikTok video. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna give me a blank template for a TikTok video. Okay, so I'm gonna click here. And it's gonna take me to this blank template. Okay, so all we're gonna do is literally just upload the video here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to my folder. I'm gonna drag this over here, guys, and now you can see the video is there. Okay, so there we go. Now what I can do here is I can make this bigger. I'm gonna go ahead and stretch this out so it kind of fills up the whole screen. There we go. And there it is. Okay, now I want to show you guys without the picture so you guys can see the whole screen here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to add text. Okay, with Canva you can do this very easily. Okay, so I'm going to scroll to the left here. I'm going to add my text here. Okay, so you can just go to this headline and we can just add our facts, right? So again, I'm just gonna go look at this video here, facts about shy people, right? So we can do something similar, right? We already got our facts here. Let's do facts about love, okay? Let's do that. Very, very simple, very easy, okay? So I'm gonna put facts about love, okay? I'm gonna do that, possibly make this bigger. There we go. Okay, that's it. And then what we can do is we can start adding our facts, okay? So I'm gonna add another headline here. And then let's see, I'm just gonna go to my Google and just type in one of these, okay? Love is patient, love is kind, until about the third time you leave the toilet seat up, okay? So we can go ahead and just take that. I'm gonna go ahead and copy that. I'll type that into the video now. Alrighty guys, so I typed that in there, and as you can see, I just basically just copied what I saw here, just this first fact, okay? Very, very easy to do, okay? You can't see through the red, but yeah, this one here. But yeah, we have a ton of, like, literally millions of quotes that we can use, okay? So that's it. That's all we have to do here, and then we can go ahead and play this. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this, guys. So it has music, it's got facts. Very simple to do, okay? Very, very, very simple, okay? I'm just gonna download that video here. And the next step is to download it to YouTube. So I'm just gonna download this. I'll let that download, and then we'll upload it to YouTube. Alrighty guys, so now I'm gonna upload that video to YouTube. All I gotta do is, obviously if you have a YouTube channel, just go to the little plus here at the top and hit upload video. Now guys, if you don't have a YouTube channel, I do have a completely free course on how to set up. Check that out right here, guys, and I'll show you exactly how to set up your YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet. But anyways guys, okay, so we're gonna upload this video here, assuming you do have a YouTube channel already set up. If you don't, go check out that free course. And we're gonna go ahead and upload this video. Very, very simple. I'm just gonna go to my downloads, upload that exact same video that we just created in Canva. And then all we gotta do here now is just type in a hashtag shorts. Okay, that way YouTube knows it's a short video, but they'll typically know either way if it's under 60 seconds. Okay, it does have to be under 60 seconds. I'm just gonna put relationship advice. Okay, something like that, okay? You can make this longer if you want. I'm just gonna show you kind of what I would do to upload this, okay? Again, with YouTube Shorts, it's not really YouTube SEO, meaning it's not really searchable at first, okay? I know YouTube will eventually have some sort of search engine for this type of content, but for now, we can just put a quick title. But if you do wanna work for the long term, I would put some sort of searchable title in there, okay? A little bit more advanced there, but you can do that if you wanna be here for the long term, okay? Which I recommend. All right, so shorts, relationship advice. I'm gonna go ahead and copy that. Now, how are we gonna make money with this, right? How are we gonna make that $10,000 a month, okay? First way, again, is the YouTube Shorts fund that I talked about. So if you just upload shorts, they're gonna pay you, $100 million between all the YouTube Shorts, right? Obviously, we don't know how much we're gonna actually make with that, so it's better to control it as much as possible. So the next step is we're gonna go to clickbank.com, where we're gonna go ahead and monetize our YouTube Shorts, okay? Now, what this is, if you've never heard of ClickBank, it's an affiliate marketing marketplace where you can go find products and literally make money, okay? Very, very simple, okay? The way we're making money, right, is we have these relationship type videos, so the people that are gonna watch this type of video maybe need some relationship advice, okay? So we're gonna go to ClickBank, we're gonna create an account here. Once you do that, it's gonna take you to the marketplace here, okay? So at the top, you're gonna go to marketplace, and then we're gonna go look for a product that resonates with our audience, okay? So if I go here, we can find a relationship product, okay? So you can see all the products here, tons of things that you can look for, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and type in relationship here, relationship, and see what type of products that they have, okay? Relationship manifestation, magic relationship words, certified relationship coaching. So let's just say we want to promote this one here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit promote. I'm gonna hit generate hop link, and this link here, if someone clicks on this link and they buy, I make money, okay? Very simple, okay? So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and add this in the YouTube description here. So we wanna know what the product's about. So magic relationship words, okay? So I'm just gonna type that in, magic relationship words, okay? I'm gonna put the link here, okay? So that's what we can do. Now this is kind of an ugly link here, so what we can do is we can go to bit.ly.com, and this, all it does is it makes the link prettier. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna go ahead and shorten that link here, and then I'm gonna copy this. Okay, so now it shortens it, so now I can go back to my YouTube description and add this link. Okay, very, very simple. Okay, and if you go to the link here, the actual link that you got from ClickBank, you can see that it'll go to this product here. Okay, discover the exact words to say to stop fights, arguments. Actually, I'm gonna take this over here. I'm gonna take that headline, I'm actually gonna put this right here. Okay, boom. So that's how we make money, guys. Obviously you're gonna get millions and millions of views, right? That's the goal with YouTube Shorts. That's why I'm making this video, because as you saw my wife's video, her video went viral here, 22 million views, and she posted this and it just literally just went viral overnight. Like, insane, guys. Okay, so the goal here is to get tons of views, and people are gonna go and they're gonna see these videos and they're gonna click on those links, and that's how we make money. Now guys, I do want to mention that you want to be consistent with this process. Okay, one video may not get you to go viral. You may want to do this over and over, right? At least 2, 3, maybe 4 times a week, but stay consistent with this. Okay, we did this on my wife's channel and she had one just go insanely viral, guys. You just need one of those videos to go insane and you'll be making a ton of money. Okay, now even if you don't go viral and you get, 1,000 views here, 1,000 views here, and you're consistently getting views, then that's still okay, right? That's exactly how I built my business, just using YouTube, not even using YouTube Shorts when I first started. So anyways, guys, just want to kind of let you know that, be consistent with this. Now, if you're absolutely serious about building a 6-figure business, I do have a 3-day business breakthrough challenge. That's the first link in the YouTube description down below. I'm going to show you exactly how I built a 6-figure per month online business. And guys, please click the link down below and I'll show you exactly how to get started. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video. God bless.